Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today, we're diving into the latest financial results of H.B. Fuller, a global leader in adhesives and sealants. Stay tuned as we summarize the report, discuss the highlights of the results, and what it all means for investors like you. Curious to know more details on key takeaways and insights? Watch this video to find out. Executive Summary.
H.B. Fuller reported its third quarter 2024 financial results, showing a net revenue of $918 million, up 1.9% year-on-year. The company achieved a net income of $55 million and an adjusted EBITDA of $165 million, marking a 6% increase year-on-year. The adjusted EBITDA margin expanded by 70 basis points to 18.0%. The company also reported adjusted EPS of $1.13, up 7% from the previous year. Key strategic moves included the acquisition of HS Butyl Limited and share repurchases.
Segment performance. How did the major business segments perform in terms of revenue and growth compared to the previous periods?
Hygiene, Health, and Consumable Adhesives. Revenue was $389.9 million, down from $402.4 million in the same period last year. Engineering Adhesives. Revenue was $374.9 million, up from $365.9 million in the same period last year. Construction Adhesives. Revenue was $153.2 million, up from $132.4 million in the same period last year.
Operational efficiency. What were the GAAP and non-GAAP gross margins for the current quarter, and how do they compare with previous periods?
The GAAP gross margin for the current quarter was 30.0%, up from 29.3% in the same period last year. The non-GAAP gross margin was 30.4%, up from 30.0% in the same period last year.
What were the GAAP and non-GAAP operating expenses for the current quarter, and how do they compare with previous periods?
The GAAP operating expenses for the current quarter were $171 million, compared to $172.2 million in the same period last year. The non-GAAP operating expenses were $164 million, compared to $159 million in the same period last year.
Cash flow and financial health. What are the key points of the balance sheets?
Total assets, $4,978 million. Total liabilities, $337 million. Equity, total $842 million. Net debt, debt under $90 million.
What were the key points regarding cash flow from operating, investing, and financing activities?
Operating activities. Net cash provided by operating activities was $216.8 million. Investing activities. Net cash used in investing activities was $385.8 million. Financing activities. Net cash provided by financing activities was $131.6 million.
Strategic initiatives and partnerships. What were the major strategic initiatives, product launches, and partnerships announced in the current quarter?
Acquired HS Butyl Limited, the UK's largest manufacturer and distributor of high-quality butyl tapes. Repurchased 407,400 shares year-to-date, including 225,000 shares in the quarter.
Risk and challenges. What are the key risks and challenges highlighted in the report or discussed by the management?
Slowing market demand in certain durable goods markets. Dynamic macroeconomic environment.
Future outlook. What is the company's revenue and gross margin guidance for the next quarter or fiscal year?
Net revenue growth is expected to be up approximately 2%, with organic revenue flat year-on-year. Adjusted EBITDA is expected to be in the range of $610 million to $620 million. Adjusted EPS diluted is expected to be in the range of $4.10 to $4.20.
Overall performance and investment prospects. Based on the financial results and strategic updates, what is the assessment of the company's overall performance?
H.B. Fuller demonstrated solid financial performance with revenue growth, margin expansion, and strategic acquisitions. Despite challenges in certain markets, the company remains on track to meet its long-term targets, indicating a positive outlook for future growth.
That's all for today's analysis of H.B. Fuller's third quarter 2024 performance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more in-depth financial insights. Let us know in the comments if you think H.B. Fuller is a good buy right now. Boost your trading game with Interactive Brokers, a leading platform known for its advanced tools and low commissions. I've personally benefited from their fast execution and comprehensive market access. Click the referral link in the video description below to sign up and support this channel. Start trading smarter today with IBKR. Thanks for watching and happy investing.